Titikman na natin siya. Ito na. Kain na. Harap.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Dolliecious Cravings. Today I'm going to share with you one of my specialties in pasta. It's called beefy and cheesy lasagna. So if you're ready to share some love in the kitchen, let's get cooking. As you can see, these are all the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. Let's start by pouring some oil. Add salt to the water used for boiling the lasagna. To prevent the lasagna sheets from sticking to each other, first use a large pot to cook the lasagna and make sure that the water is already boiling before adding the sheets. Another important tip is to continuously stir them for 2 minutes, then let them cook according to the package instructions. I cooked them for a total of 6 minutes. Now let's start cooking the bechamel sauce, or what we call the white cheese sauce. The butter should be in the same proportion as the flour. I use half a cup of butter and the same amount of 1/2 cup of flour. Now let's add the evaporated milk. Add all-purpose cream, 250 ml of water, quick melt or cheddar cheese. I like to combine them. Adding rosemary powder is optional for this. Cook until the mixture reaches a thicker consistency. Now, as for our red sauce, let's start off with a butter. Melt in a large pan over medium heat. Then add the minced garlic and onions, saute until fragrant. Add 1 kilogram of ground beef and cook until brown. Let's put 1 beef cube, add tomato paste and ketchup, stir to combine. Pour in 900 grams of Del Monte creamy and cheesy spaghetti sauce, 250 ml of water, seasoned with salt, pepper, fish sauce, rosemary powder is optional, but this enhances and brings up the meaty flavor. Add minced carrots, mushrooms, and of course your grated cheese. Toss in diced bell pepper and mix them. Cover the pan and let the sauce simmer for a few minutes, stirring occasionally until the flavors combine and the sauce thickens. Let's assemble our lasagna. In your baking pan, start by spreading a layer of lasagna beef sauce. Add a layer of cooked lasagna sheets on top. Spread a layer of red sauce, followed by a layer of bechamel sauce or white sauce. Add another layer of lasagna sheets and repeat the process until all ingredients are used. Now for the topmost layer, sprinkle grated cheese generously. Add the dried parsley for garnish and extra flavor. Bake the lasagna in a preheated oven at 190 Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes or until the cheese is golden and bubbling. That's it!
Tara, subukan natin yung niluto ko na lasagna. Nakaka-excite naman ito. Amoy pa lang sarap na. Can't wait to taste it. Kasi yung amoy pa lang niya, grabe yung amoy na amoy yung cheese, yung beef, yung rosemary powder na nilagay ko. Actually dati, eto kasi, one of my yung binibenta ko. Kasi dati nagbibake ako, tapos nagpapa-order ako. Ganun. Kain na. Harap. Sarap talaga niya. Thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I want to hear from you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more cooking and travel adventures. See you on my next one. No hate, just love.